So I added a little garlic powder to make it smell good and tasty also. So then, ayan, gimasa-masa na ninaho, mix well. My hand is clean, by the way. So, it's easy if you use your hand. Sometimes I do it on the mixed bowl, but right now I just do it by hand. It depends. So, it's all good and clean. Mix well so it tastes real good. So guys, they are mixed well already, so I'm making the patties. Actually, there's a lot of way on how you make and do your hamburger on your own taste, but my husband only likes salt and pepper, garlic powder, plain. There's a lot of seasoning, but he just likes simple taste, and it's always the natural taste. So soon I'm gonna cook this now because my husband is very hungry. So usually this is the way I make my patties. So this time, guys, I am using a sliced bread. I don't have the hamburger bun, so we are making use of the bread we have, and it still tastes good. Ayan, make sure hiwain ko. Make sure I have to cut because for Mike, it feels like it's love, o diba? Charot po na darling kasi kailangan ko talagang hiwain para easy to eat. O diba, yummy licious. That's my delicious hamburger.